First, you have to get the bread. Get the jelly and the peanut butter out. It's crunchy peanut butter. And it is raspberry jelly. Then you have to get the jelly and put it on the bread. And get the peanut butter and put it on the bread. Then close the bread. Did it work? No, it didn't work. Okay, should we try another one?
Yes.
Okay. First, you get out 2 pieces of bread. Okay. All right, let's get out 2 pieces of bread. Do we use the end piece or do we skip the end piece?
Skip the end piece.
It doesn't say that, but we'll skip the end piece. We got 2 pieces of bread. Get out some jelly. From this?
Yeah.
It doesn't say that. It just says get out some jelly. I've got some jelly. Get out peanut butter. After that, slap them together and eat. But it's just bread. It doesn't really taste that good. But that's what it says. It's missing some peanut butter and jelly. So when it says get them out, should I open the jar?
Yeah.
Oh. Open the jar. Oh, man. Just bread is not. It's not. What about this? It doesn't say anything about opening this. It doesn't even say open it.
Yes.
This one doesn't. Are you reading it? Oh boy.
You stack them on each other.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. Let's try this one again. With it open. Okay. First, you get out 2 pieces of bread. Really dry bread. Then get out some jelly. Okay.
Your hands are really sticky.
Get out some jelly. Get out peanut butter. Okay. After that, slap them together. Slap them together. And eat. Well, it's interesting. Not really a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. What do you think?
I like it.
Sorry, these papers are going to be ruined, but let's move on to the next one. Okay, first, you get 2 pieces of bread. Should I get 2 new pieces of bread?
Yeah.
I'm gonna kind of make a, yeah, it's kind of nasty, isn't it? How many of you, this is how you make peanut butter and jelly? Okay, here we go. 2 new pieces of bread.
Good job.
Get a plate from the cupboard. Wow, a plate from the cupboard. And get peanut butter and jelly. We've got peanut butter and jelly. Get a knife. Wow. And put peanut butter, then jelly. I'm assuming with the knife.
Yes.
Okay. Put peanut butter and jelly.
Oh, man, good job.
Put the pieces of bread together. Eat the sandwich. Again.
No.
Are you scaring me this time?
You gotta ruin the bread.
Well, it says it doesn't say anything else.
Oh, you gotta put it.
We're gonna have to move on to the next one.
Okay. Make a towel, finally.
First, you get out the bread. Okay. We're gonna use these breads again. Even though it doesn't say get out 2 slices, we'll use those bread. Second, you get out the jelly. Third, you get out the peanut butter. Fourth, you get 2 pieces of bread out. Oh, it does say 2 pieces of bread out. Fifth, you put jelly on 1 piece of bread. It doesn't say anything about a knife. Oh. Jelly on 1 piece of bread.
And I eat peanut butter jelly every day.
Sixth, you put peanut butter on the other piece. Okay.
Oh,
Seventh, you put those together.
Yummies.
Eighth, enjoy. This is the closest we've gotten, isn't it?
Yeah. Sure. Ew.
It doesn't taste bad.
I'll take
I
this.
don't have a plate, so I guess I'll just set it right there.
You need to wash up your hands.
I need. Is it bothering you, Emma?
Yes.
I can tell.
Yes.
Coincidentally, Emma, that may have been your instructions. Just that I just read. You know?
Yeah.
Cool. Well, we got close, didn't we? Is this good? High five. All right, next. First, you have to get out 2 pieces of bread. 2 new pieces of bread.
Yes. Do it.
Okay.
Oh.
You have to get a knife out.
I think there's more in there if you need one.
Then get out the jelly and peanut butter. You spread the peanut butter on the bread.
Okay.
I think it's probably with the knife, not just spread it with my hand.
Yeah.
Didn't say that, but it's probably with the hand. I don't get to use a plate though. That's kind of sad.
Yay.
Okay. Spread the peanut butter. This looks better. How many of you are crunchy people? Crunchy peanut butter? How many of you are smooth, creamy? Yeah. Then you get out you spread the peanut butter on the jelly. You spread the jelly on the other bread, other slice of bread probably.
Yes.
So I shouldn't just put it on this bread.
No!
I mean, it says the other bread, the other slice of bread. The other slice of bread. Then put them together. That's not bad. This is kind of, I mean, I don't have a plate again. I didn't know what bread to use, but.
Can I just have a slice of
That's pretty good peanut butter and jelly sandwich. We're getting better. Let's see. I want to do this one. This is going to be my last one. The first step is to get out the bread. Okay. We're going to add a step in here. It doesn't say 2 slices of bread. But we're gonna add 2 slices. Get out the bread. Get out the peanut butter and jam. Get out the knife. We got one more knife. Get out the knife. Put the peanut butter on the blade of the knife. Wow, that is specific. Put the peanut butter on the blade of the knife. And swirl it around the bread. Swirl it around the bread. Is this how I should swirl it? Oh, look at that swirl.
That's how you do it.
Thank you, Hannah. You're so smart. Put jam on the knife and swirl it around. Same knife. It's kind of weird. Swirl it around. Swirl it on the bread. All right. Swirl it on the bread. Other piece of bread? Nope. It just says swirl it around. Okay, we'll put it on this bread. Since it didn't say the other piece of bread. Put it on this bread. Right on top, that's kind of weird, but put it on top. Close up the bread and eat it. That one did really well. That was very descriptive. Let's see if this is the best one yet. It's pretty good. I have to say. We're going to use all of this, okay? Now, let's see if we can be a little more descriptive. And I'm going to teach you my secret to peanut butter and jelly. Okay, let me clean it up a little bit. Start describing to me by raising your hand and I'll call on you. Maybe what the first step should be for the peanut butter sandwich. Some of you are just saying this, so let's see if you get it right. Okay. Gigi.
Get bread.
Before that, let's see if there's something we can do before that. Because I'm going to do something else even before I go any further. Everly.
Oh, jelly and peanut butter.
Not yet.
Get out a plate.
Before that even.
Wash your hands.
Yes. Let's wash our hands first. Okay. So that way, sing happy birthday while I'm washing my hands. But this is at least a little bit better, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now my hands are closer to clean, and I will wash them after. Now we're ready. We have a plate. Use a whole thing of paper towels. I'm gonna clean up this knife a little bit so it's nice and clean. All right. Give me a step. Should we ask some third graders if they have ideas?
Yeah.
We'll just let them stay over here. Asher, give me a step.
Get out the bread.
All right. Got out the bread. Nora?
Get out a plate.
Get out a plate. Got it. Grayson?
Put your hand in the bag and grab 2 pieces of bread and turn it back out.
Wow, that is good. Okay. Leora?
Put them on the plate.
Put them on the plate. Good. All right, Gigi? What should I do next?
Get jam.
Get jam.
Oh,
no, Got it?
Don't do it again.
Okay. Josie?
Get out a knife.
Get out a knife. We got a cleanish knife.
Yes.
Finley?
Put the knife in the jam and take it out and then put it on the bread.
Very good. Okay, now this is where my little secret comes into play. I have a special way that I like to make peanut butter and jelly. So I'm going to take over a little bit. I am going to get some jelly. Oh, the outside of it is really gross, but because somebody's instructions weren't clear enough. That's why. It's not my fault. I was just following your instructions.
You're the one that came in.
Okay, so we've got.
Put it on it.
There we go. We're going to get. And it's really
Squeeze
there we
it
go.
on there.
Okay, so here's what I do. This is my secret. Okay.
It's a secret.
So
Don't
I'm
tell
gonna-
us.
Well, I'm telling you so that way you can have this special secret too. Oh, a little bit on the side.
I don't like
Guys, sit down. He'll show you.
Just wait. I put it on half of the bread. Okay?
I get it.
You see that?
I get it.
Just wait. Just wait. Just wait. I actually need to clean off another one because I want to use a different knife for the peanut butter than I use.
How is that different?
It's just, I don't know, something's weird about using the same one to me. So there's some jelly in the peanut butter, so I guess what does it really matter at this point? But still, I use a different knife, I dip some peanut butter, and I know this takes longer, but it's worth it, just trust me. Now I'm going to put this on the other half of the piece of bread. Okay. Now I'm going to repeat that step to the other piece of bread. So I'm going to go over here and get some peanut butter. Okay, so I'm going to add this over here on this side of the bread. You got to get that peanut butter. You got all the peanut butter. One step that I like to add to making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich is eat a little bit of the peanut butter. Go straight out of the jar. That's good stuff. Where did the jelly knife go? Step 3, find the jelly knife.
You cleaned the jelly knife off and used it.
Did I really?
Yes.
There were 3 knives though, and now there's only 2. Were there
Because
only?
you threw both of them away.
I'm confused. Okay, maybe I did clean off the jelly knife. Oh well. Alright, oh, I got on my hand again. I'm so confused. Weren't there 3? This is mind-boggling. Okay. Oh, it's right here. I found it. I found it. I knew I wasn't crazy. Okay, jelly. Adding this over here. Okay. I'm gonna wash them, Wyatt. So they're gonna be fine. Here we go. Now we've got 2 pieces of bread with peanut butter and jelly. This is what I like to do next. Are you ready? I don't slap them together. Now, I didn't even go through all of them. One of them said to smush the two pieces together. So then I go like this, and the peanut butter and the jelly line up. So now every part of it has the peanut butter and the jelly. And then I cut it diagonally as well. This is special. Isn't this special? So I cut it diagonally. Should have used a clean knife. Cut it diagonally, so now I have this nice meld of the peanut butter and the jelly. Now this looks pretty good, I have to say.
Can I have one half? I don't like peanut butter and jelly.
Well, I do.
I used to like it, no, I don't like it. I do. That's